Alright everybody, this is Green Lake Bass Hunter here. Let's do the Mystery Tackle Box Pro for February 2017. Here's about your card, about what's in your box card. Okay, first thing we got is the Slim Shad D9 by Lucky Craft, and that's priced at $15.99. Pearl Threadfin Shad, Deep Crank. Next thing we got is the Deep Fat-Free Shad by Bomber, and that's priced at $7. And Rue, I guess that's the color of it, Rue, and it dives to 17 to 19 foot, deep cranker. Then next thing is the hatch spin by Lunker Hunt, and it's also priced at $7, as you can see right there. And the color is Jack. Next thing we got is the V&M Baits, the straight wild worm. And it's V&M Wild Thing series, Cliff Pace, and it's in black and blue, an 8-pack. Nice. Next thing we got by Buddha Baits. Oh, the straight wild worm is $5.79. The Buddha Baits Swagger worm is $5.49 right here, and they're scented with high garlic, just like Lake Fork plastics. They got high garlic scent, and the color is green pumpkin. Then the next thing we got is the Big Bite soft plastic hook by Mustad, and it's a 2-piece, size 5/0. Then as well you get your Dibble Digest and your sticker. So, like always, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below. And like always, everybody, tight lines and shut up and fish. Bye-bye.